Triple Play Saturday Round 3. Are you ready? Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and this watch face is off the charts. Another, and I do say another, animated watch face. This one here is nice. Now, the name of the watch face is called Digital HUD Ambar. It's a 24-hour animated watch face, and I'm telling you, you're gonna like this one. Now, if you look at the watch face already, you can see the animation going on with this one. Very different, very unique. I really like the style of this one. And in the always on mode, it looks just as good. You're just not gonna get the animation, but it still looks sharp. Now, looking at this watch face, once it's on, you do get kind of an analog look, but you more so get a digital watch face. You're going to get your steps, you're going to get the day of the week, you're also going to get your date. I'm liking what the developer did with this watch face. I got to give him 2 thumbs up for this one because the creativity is definitely through the roof. Now, if you look around the bezel of the watch, you can see it light up. I'm liking that look. Also, if you look on the inside, it looks like you got a radar going around. And I'm telling you, the guy did a great job with this one. And this one here, if I'm not mistaken, it is still free in the Gear Manager store, worthy of a download. Now, when you go download it, hit me, let me know your thoughts on this one because I thought this one was probably one of the best animated watch faces of the week. They just keep doing it and bringing it. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel. Share these videos with others on social media. And with that, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care. Enjoy your weekend. Have fun.